Hey there everyone, it's Joe from Ainslie Bullion, ainslieBullion.com.au with your weekly product spotlight, where we highlight one of the amazing products we have available for sale online or over the counter at our Brisbane and Melbourne stores. You're looking at the Perth Mint 1 ounce gold 2022 Kangaroo. Now, of course, if you are into these particular coins, if you do collect them, or if you do know a lot about them, of course, you know that they change the design every single year. This has gone back to 1990. In 1987 to 1989, they did a nugget series, a gold nugget series, famous big gold nuggets that were found in Australia. But then from 1990 onwards, they did these different kangaroo designs, and they've just been continuing that tradition. So the 2022 right here. Now the 2023 design has not been released yet, but we're eagerly awaiting that. And once it is released and when we're allowed to show you, then we certainly will. We'll make a big song and dance of that. But I just wanted to show you this. It is available for sale online. And again, if you have been following the different designs, if you collect one every year, etc., if you do purchase them, you'll notice the different kind of design this year. The previous year, 2021, and going back for a while, that a particular style of design, and they've changed it up this year, and I actually really like it. I think it's pretty cool. The big feature, the big difference, is they have gotten rid of the extra circle in the around the edge right there, and so a lot of the inscription was in that little gap between the edge of the coin and the circle, a little bit more in, if that makes sense. So using all the technical terms here, and they've enlarged the font, and they've changed up the font as well. And I actually liken this font to ye olde pub style, like old school outback pub style signage. If you were to drive through an old outback town and they've still got old signage, it kind of reminds me of that kangaroo font right there. I like it in particular. What do you think? Do you like it? Do you dislike it? Tell me what you think. Post a comment below. And of course, two kangaroos, a mother and Joey, right there. And you've got planes in the background with what are technically called, what I just learned earlier today, hillocks. Hillocks. Hillocks, not hills, but hillocks. Isn't that interesting? So there you go. And of course, the denominations right here, and I'll get a little bit closer, see how close we can go here. Right there, of course, 2022, 1 ounce, 999,949 pure gold right there. Now that is the reverse, and a couple of other things I'll actually show you. Notice that little P down here, right there. That P, that's called a mint mark, and that P stands for Perth, so Perth Mint. And actually somewhere around here, and you won't be able to see it because you can only see it with a magnifying glass, is a micro laser engraved letter. Now, I tried to do my research very quickly before making this video. I don't remember where exactly it is on this reverse of the coin. So if you happen to know, post a comment below and let us know where that micro laser engraved letter is within the reverse of this coin. Let me know, and I'll be forever grateful. And if checking out the obverse side, of course, this is the last time you're going to see Her Majesty Queen Elizabeth II, may she rest in peace. The last time you're going to see this on the official Perth Mint, at least coinage. So right there, or at least on the kangaroo design, that is so. Her Majesty the Queen right there, and a whopping denomination of 100 fiat Australian dollars right there. That is the face value of the coin. And that is pretty much it, the 1 ounce Kangaroo 2022 design. Again, the 2023 will be out soon-ish, and when we have that design, when we are allowed to show you, we will certainly show you. So, available online or over the counter at our Brisbane and Melbourne stores, the Perth Mint 1 ounce 2022 gold Kangaroo. Do you try and collect the set? If you do, post a comment below. Have you collected the whole set? Let us know. We always want to hear from you, and we always want you to like, share, and subscribe. And as always at the end, thanks for choosing Ainslie.